When the world feels loud and you feel small, like you're not seen, like you don't matter at all. Take a breath, close your eyes, let the noise pass you by. You don't have to be strong all the time. Even stars take breaks just to shine. You're ready enough just as you are. You don't need to chase a distant star. In your silence there's a spark. You're the light in the dark.